Students, in chapter number 3, continuing the same topic, equations reducible to a pair of linear equation in two variables. I'm taking one more example here. So see this. This is the given pair of equation 2 upon 3x plus 2y plus 3 upon 3x minus 2y is equal to 17 by 5. And the second equation is 5 upon 3x plus 2y plus 1 upon 3x minus 2y equal to 2. Now in this given pair of equation, you can see this is not a linear equation. This is again, it is a non-linear equation. As we can see, the variables are in the denominator. As all of you know, the standard form of linear equation in two variable is what? Ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. As we have also discussed in the earlier video, so we can see the highest power of x, it must be 1. So these equations are not linear equations. They are called non-linear equations. So how to reduce these non-linear equation to linear equation? We have to do some appropriate substitution. So here you can see in the first equation, I can write this 2 upon 3x plus 2y is equal to 2 multiply with 1 upon 3x plus 2y. I can write this as the first term of the first equation. I can write in this way. Fine, 2 multiply with this. Okay, the next term is what? 3 upon, this is what? 3x minus 2y. So can I write this as 3 multiply this 1 upon 3x minus 2y? Now, the problem in the equation that we have to convert it into linear equation. So we will assume this as A and this as B. Fine. So we will write this as A and this as B. So we can assume that this will become 2A. And if I suppose this as B, 1 upon 3x minus 2y, then this will become 3B. Fine. So what I have done, I have supposed this. I have done one assumption that 1 upon 3, let this 1 upon 3x plus 2y equal to A and 1 upon 3x minus 2y equal to B. Now these equations will reduce into, we can reduce into linear equations in the form of the new variables, that is A and B. Now you can see then the above equation will be reduced to in this form. That is, this will become, if this is what A, that is 1 upon 3x plus 2y is A, then this will become 2a plus 3b is equal to 17 by 5. Fine. So I have written 2a plus 3b equal to 17 by 5, in which then I have cross multiply this 5. So this will become 10a plus 5b is equal to 17, and this is our first equation. Fine. Similarly, we can reduce this in the form of a and b. This will become, since 1 upon 3x plus 2y is equal to a, so this will become 5a plus b. This whole is as b, we have assumed this as b, so 5a plus b equal to 2. This will be the second equation. Fine. Now you can see this is the first and second. Now I will use elimination method to calculate the values of a and b. For this, I have equate the coefficient of a. Fine, you can equate the coefficient of a as well as b. So I have equate the coefficient of a. I will multiply this second equation by 2 and first by 1. So if I multiply second by 2, this will become 10a, and this is already 10a. So you can see I will multiply first equation by 1 and second by 2. So I am getting this 10a plus 15b. So the first equation will remain as it is, as we have multiplied by 1, and the second equation we have multiplied by 2. Fine. So this will become 10a plus 2b is equal to 4. Now, since the coefficients are equal, the coefficients of a are equal, but they are of same sign, so we have to subtract this. So we will subtract these pair of equation. Now these are linear equation. You can see a and b, they have degree 1. They have highest power as 1. So we will eliminate now. So we will subtract this second from first. We will change the sign, and here 10a will cancel out, and we are getting 15b minus 2b as 13b equal to 13. and b is equal to 1. Now put this value of b in any one of the equation, first or second. So I have put the value of b in equation number second. So when you put the value of b in equation second, so this will become 5a plus 1. So replace b by 1. So 5a plus 1 is equal to 2, and 5a 2 minus 1. Shift this 1 to the right hand side, so 2 minus 1 will be 1. So 5a equal to 1 and a is equal to 1 by 5. So you are getting the value of a and b. But what we have to calculate? We have to calculate the value of x and y, since the equations, the original equations are containing these variables only. So now what we will do, we will substitute these two values in the supposition. So in this way, that is, we will write 1 upon 3x plus 2y. 1 upon 3x plus 2y, we have supposed it as a. So a is what? 1 by 5. Fine. And 1 upon 3x minus 2y is what? We have assumed this as b. So b is what? 1. So if I cross multiply this, so the equation will become what? This equation will become 3x plus 2y is equal to 5. We can cross multiply, or either we can do in this way, we can take the reciprocal of both the side. So if I cross multiply in this way, so this 3x minus 2y is equal to what? This would be 1. Now again we have two equation, we have pair of equation, but here you can see these equations are linear equations, since the highest power of x and y is 1 only. Now we can solve again this pair of equation by elimination method. The coefficient of y and x, already they are equal, so I can add these two equation. Since the coefficient of y, they are equal and opposite in sign, so this would be 2y cancel out, this would be 6x equal to 6, and we are getting the value of x is equal to 1. So I hope you are getting this, x equal to 1. And when you put this value of x in any one of the equation, so if I put 1 here, so this will become 3 plus 2y is equal to 5. So if I put the value of x in this would be 3 plus 2y equal to 5, and you are getting the value of y as, that is, y equal to 2 by 2, that is y equal to 1. So the solution of this equation is x equal to 1 and y equal to 1. I hope you got this, you have understood this. Thank you very much.